Do you guys know that skipping regular pedicures can lead to cracked heels, discolored nails, and even foot infections? Let me show you how to give yourself a DIY pedicure at home. Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty Made Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to do pedicure at home with the ingredients from the kitchen. This DIY pedicure removes tan and makes your feet look amazing. So let's dive right in. Let's turn your tired feet into soft, glowing ones with this easy home routine. Let's start with step 1, cleansing. I filled a bucket with warm water and added 2 pumps of body wash, a handful of crystal sea salt, and squeezed half a lemon into it. This mix cleanses, softens, and gently detoxifies. The lemon also brightens and removes tan. Keep your feet in the bucket for about 10 minutes. After soaking my feet for about 10 minutes, I used a toothbrush to gently buff around the nails and in between the toes. This really helps to remove dirt buildup and dead skin that collects near the cuticles. It is such a small step, but it makes your feet look extra neat and polished. Step 2 is exfoliation. I did a DIY scrub made with coffee powder and milk. Coffee improves blood flow and removes tan. Milk softens and nourishes the skin. Scrub for 3 to 5 minutes, focusing on heels, toes, and ankles. Use circular motions to scrub away. This step removes the dead skin, which in turn brightens and makes the skin glow. Step 3 is a DIY foot mask. I mashed 1 ripe banana with a spoon of honey and added 10 drops of coconut oil. This combo heals cracked skin, adds glow, and even removes tan over time. This mask is deeply hydrating for a dry feet, which in turn also helps to prevent cracks. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and relax. Now for the transformation, nail polish. I started with a base coat to prevent staining. Followed by this gorgeous red polish that makes any skin tone pop up, and then sealed it with a shiny top coat for a long lasting finish. And for the final step is the moisturization. Take any body lotion and apply it onto your feet. Massage it until the moisturizer gets absorbed fully. This step makes sure that the feet is hydrated and moisturized. Before we wrap up, I would like to answer a few frequently asked questions I get all the time about pedicures at home. Once every 2 weeks is perfect to keep your feet soft, clean and healthy. Yes, but that 5 to 10 minutes of that banana honey hydration mask can make a big difference in your feet. So try not to skip it. You can use your regular powdered salt or even pink salt, even Epsom salt work. They all help in exfoliation and detoxifying. Base coat prevents the yellowing of nails and make the color last long. Especially if you are using bold shades like red, then make sure to apply a base coat so that the red color won't stain your actual nails. This base coat prevents or coats a layer between the color and your nail. Absolutely, do this routine consistently and you will definitely see the result. Your heels will start to heal in just a few weeks. Of course, a pedicure is unisex and can be done by all genders. Hope these answered your questions. If you have got more, then do let me know in the comments. I will definitely answer them. If you enjoyed this at-home pedicure routine, then please subscribe to my channel. I can see a lot of people are watching without subscribing to my channel. Subscription is free and does not cost you anything, but it means the world to me. Until next time, take care.